Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your Visa card on starpets.gg. So first of all, head over to your browser. The process is same for your mobile device as well as your PC. After you launch your browser, type in starpets. You will see starpets.gg link. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now as you do that, you will see various things that you can buy. Let's go ahead and buy this one egg right here. Tap onto the thing that you would like to buy and tap on Fast Buy. If you would like to buy more, tap on Add to Cart as well. Now tap on Buy again. From these various payment methods, tap on Visa. So simply, type in the amount you will get, you will pay. Once done, tap on Pay right here. And all you have to do is confirm your action and follow the on-screen prompt, then you will be able to use Visa card on your StarPets. Thank you all for watching, guys. If it helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will catch up in our next upload.